What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend BTC. We started to break out as we've been anticipating on the channel. So we're going to get into that. We're sitting at basically 28K, up 2.5 on the day. See, market cap up 540 billion. 24-hour volume, 16.62 billion. Let's hop to the charts. So we were leaning bullish for the last 2 weeks or so. Looking for a bounce off the WXY correction off this trend line, which was a 78.6% fib level. Now, I know a lot of you were like, come on, Jax, we're going down. But as I've been mentioning, I was leaning bullish and didn't think that this consolidation was bearish and thought it was corrective. And we've broken above the bullish confirmation, so it's looking pretty good to see continuation to the upside, which would mean that this larger wave 2 pullback is finished. And we start to push up towards, I believe the target is 54K. We'll look at that in a minute here. So what we're looking at was a wave 1 pullback into wave 2, looking to push up into wave 3. Now the minimum target has been met. We almost pushed up to the 1.382. If we look at a micro count, these micro counts could be inaccurate, but you could be looking at 1, 2. That's a 3 right there. Pull back into 4, potentially push up into 5 to take you up to our wave 3 target, the 1.618 at 29K. All right, gang, we'd love to see it. Of course, it could have gone either way, but we were leaning bullish. We invalidated this head and shoulders pattern by breaking back above the neckline. So this pattern is now finished. And we're back above the EMAs. I believe I talked about in my last Bitcoin video. I definitely mentioned it in the Discord. If we get back above those daily EMAs, that's a bullish signal. We have this nice falling wedge pattern. So the target of the wedge is the top, which is coming in at 31K. So once we can break that trend line, we can see continuation. We may fall back to the daily EMAs, see the bullish cross, see continuation. That's what I think is probable. Weekly charts looking really healthy. Yeah, that wave 3 target. Let me do a quick measurement here from the bottom of the 1 to the top. See where the 1.618 is. I have to make sure. Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay, so the wave 3 target, okay, I see here. The larger wave 3 target is only 42K. However, if we do a measurement, of course, these wave 3s can be extended. But the smaller wave count, if we go from this low to the top of the 1 to the bottom of the 2, you see that 1.618 will take you up to about 54K. That's the 1.618 target. But of course, it can only reach the 1 extension, which is at 40K. So that's what we'd be looking for. But our largest wave count from the bottom here would give us a wave 3 target of about 42,000, which does look like it lines up with some resistance here. We'll quickly drop in a line for that. So what we're looking at is the wave 1 of the wave 3. See how this is a large wave 1? So this wave 3 definitely could be extended in my opinion. And pulling back in the wave 2, we're beautifully holding the weekly EMAs. We saw a beautiful reaction last week off the 20 EMA, off the 55. So we will see the bullish cross. It's coming up shortly. As I mentioned in many videos, every time the EMAs got this tight after we broke below them in a bear market and we got back above them and they were this tight, we never failed to hold them and see continuation to the upside in the previous 2 bear markets. And that leads me to believe we are going to see that once more. We also have the 200-week moving average lining up perfectly and see continuation. So we're just gearing up for continuation to the upside, in my opinion. As we've been predicting on the channel, smash the like button if you've been enjoying the content. DXY pushed up to 104 was our next target. We have a strong bearish divergence on the RSI. I do think we're going to pull back relatively soon for the DXY, and that's when you'll see the continuation up for BTC. So we love to see it. We were leaning towards the breakout, and that's exactly what we've seen. So we're just looking for the completion of the wave 3, put in a 4, push up in a final wave 5. I will complete the first wave of the larger wave 3. Zoom out a little bit here. You can see our inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That gives you a target of about 40K. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. Currently, we're in 3 trades, which are in profits. Sandbox, Ethereum, I believe Bitcoin as well is our 3rd trade that we're currently in. One of our members crushed it on the Sandbox trade. Jax You Beauty up 82% on Sand. Love to see it. You can have free access to my signals, 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Big It, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Check out my full length tutorials. Takes 2 minutes to sign up, make your first deposit, and then email me your sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays. Otherwise, if you want direct access, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, all day, every day. All links in the comments. Smash the like button, subscribe if you'd like to. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.